Oria namba nene ya muingi urathimo murimu wa COVID-19 na uguo maumirira maronania bururi urio haraya ha guikara thi na kwirorera murimu uyu. Riboti cia umuthi ikionania murimu no uratamba no tigitio hanini uhumbe bururi mugima.
40 out of 47 counties had reported cases of COVID-19, which amounts to about 85% of counties in the country.
Thirikari igithiaga na mbere guthingiriria a Kenya kwa kunoga hari gukinyaniria mitaratara ria yambikitwo no irarira mitaratara ya urigitani kuri andu aria mataronania ndariri cia murimu uyu aria makuite gicunje kia 78 hari 100 kia aria othe marwarite.
Let us all remember that our first line of defense to beat this virus remains the adherence to the containment measures. And as we all know, these are washing our hands with soap and running water, maintaining physical distance, and wearing of masks when we're in public places.
Andu 258 mena virus cia COVID-19 rungu rwa mathaa 24 maumirira makuma ithimi-ini cia andu 4,859 na gukinyaniria namba ya andu 5,260 aria marwarite gukinyagia riu.
In terms of county distribution, we have Nairobi having 127, Mombasa having 36, Migori 29, Kajiado 22, Kiambu 12, Busia 9, Uasin Gishu 5, Murang'a 3, Machakos and Kilifi have registered 2 cases, and we have 1 case from Nakuru, Siaya, Taita Taveta, Garissa, Isiolo, Kakamega and Kisii, all having 1 case.
Hahuwa arume gukorwo matongoretie hari ndwari ino no urathana riboti-ini cia o muthenya na gatagati-ini ka andu 258 arume 186 ni marwarite na mbere ikirite ya atumia na makiria ma maita meri.
If you have mild symptoms and one of the symptoms you have is fever, raised temperature, then it would mean that you're only discharged from home-based care upon you not recording a fever for 72 hours.
Mitoke ya gutherema kwa murimu ironekanira kaunti-ini ya Mombasa, ikirumirirwo ni Nairobi, kaunti ya Busia murimu ukionekana kwambatira na gicunje gia 3 hari 100 na Kajiado gicunje kia 55 hari 100. Umuthi bururi-ini woro ni andu arira makuite kumana na murimu uyu, indi angi 41 ni ahonu na makarekererio kuinuka. Namba ya aria aroru umuthi niyo nene makiria kuma riria thirikari yanjiririe kwanirira maumirira ma murimu uyu. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Julius Karithi wa Munene.